This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, April 21st. Well, in what appears to be a risk-off day, stock index futures coming under some pressure. Much of this linked to the weakness that we have seen over the last couple of days in the crude oil market. Also, we had the existing home sales report coming in weaker than expected. However, stock index futures still technically appear to be in relatively good shape, at least over the last couple of weeks, coming off of those lows from March 23rd. Also, the S&P 500 still remains above a double top pattern that was penetrated not that long ago. Moving over to the currencies, flight to quality buying coming into the US dollar. Although we still have a ways to go before we get to the dollar index previous high of around the 104 level. Also, the Canadian dollar and the Australian dollars both lower as crude oil prices under pressure, and that tending to undermine the commodity currencies, the Canadian dollar and the Australian. Interest rate futures markets higher in a flight to quality move. Also, we have the yield on the 5-year Treasury note falling to a new record low. The gold market under some pressure in the risk-off move, but there was a $30 recovery from the lows that we saw earlier this morning. So I think that bodes well for the rest of today's trade. Hopefully, there may be a little more recovery for those of you that are looking to the long side. Also, the long-term fundamentals still appear to be bullish for the gold. The central bank still very much coming in on the long side, buying the precious metal. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.